Mani u kume seketela ku huma eka minhlangano yo hambanahambana kusukela a nyikiwe xigwevo. Sweswi nhlangano wa PAC na wona wu ri wu ta endla hinkwaswo leswi nga le mandleni ya vona leswaku Mani a nga yi ekhotsweni. Varhangeri va Vandla ku katsa na Muzwanele Nyonso a va ri kona ekhoto namuntlha.
The institutions of higher learning have to take responsibility for what these service providers do in the first place. There shouldn't be outsourcing of these things to service providers. Why can't institutions run these things by themselves? Why do they have to give tax? Why? Because there is this web of corruption. A glitch of 14 million rands. Are they crazy? A glitch of 6 zeros to a student account.
One.
And then we are told that there is justice.
Continue once again to make an appeal to police hawks, investigate the glitch. Let the people who are responsible for the so-called glitch be made accountable. Not an innocent student who was unfortunate to be at the wrong place at the wrong time and receive the money that was otherwise a product of what we suspect.
Mani u ta tama a ha ri ehandle hi bail ku fikela ntshamo lowu taka wa khoto.